What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to do a quick video on how to change your tail light, brake light, or reverse light, or blinker on a Jeep Renegade. It's pretty easy. You go in the trunk of your Jeep. You got this little cover here. You pull this little tab. You pop that off. And if you see inside of here, this little spring-loaded screw, you're gonna unscrew that, but you'll be able to pull your tail light out just enough to get your hand into the side, undo the clip, and then we'll get the tail light off, and we'll be able to get to the bulb after that. And the other side, you come over here and you push this tab in, and this piece comes out. And then, as you can see, spring-loaded screw, just like the other side. You're gonna undo that. Same thing, pull this side of the tail light out, and just get in there to get to the clip to undo the wiring. Alright, I'm gonna get that screw out. There's the spring-loaded screw. Now we'll go to the tail light. Pull it out and don't go too far. You can get in there. You push down on the top of this clip. It comes undone. And we'll come right over here. You're going to want to take these 4 Phillips screws out. This is a number 2 Phillips head. All right. And this pops right out. This bulb is your reverse light, and these 2 bulbs are your tail light, your blinker, and your brake light. So whatever bulb you need to change, like I said, that's the reverse light, and the other ones are for your other 3. You just pull your bulb out, these twist straight out, twist right back in. This bulb just pulls straight out, and that one twists and twists back in. And then you just put it back in there. Put your screws back in. Might not need to go that tight. All right, bring it over. Plug your clip back in. It's got little holes that lines up. There you go. And you just hold the tail light from the outside. And just screw the spring-loaded screw back in. Go. And then you can see which way this goes. It's got the 2 tabs. Those go right in there. Just like that. Push it shut. That's pretty much it. Pretty easy job. And once again, that is for your reverse light, brake light, tail light, and blinker. If you guys could hit the like button, and if you like my content, if you could subscribe, that'd be greatly appreciated. Yeah, that's about it, guys. I'll see you guys in another video.